Assalamualaikum. Hi friends, today we have this TIG 250 and the problem with this machine is OC. Once we make it switch on and this you can see let's come here OC, or even we make it direct to MMA arc welding and it show us the AC. Let's check and find out the problem. We turn off the machine and we select our meter to diode position. So here we check the first thing for the OC. You can see here diode is showing us okay. So let's open and see inside what is the fault. We open this machine and we see by the visual inspection if there is something we can find out. We check with the help of the meter. Here we select our meter to diode position and see if any MOSFET or resistance is damaged. This section is okay. This section is also okay. This section is also okay. This is also fine. This means MOSFET has no problem. Let's remove first this bottom card frequency transformer for TIG welding and see if something. Now just turn on the machine and you can see there is no OC showing here. We check the output voltage, help of multimeter 1000 select, and there is output voltage, so it means this frequency transformer for the bottom card is damaged. What we need to do is to replace this transformer, and I can see there is a relay for operating the TIG that is also damaged. So we will check either this diode and I will replace the transformer and I show you how does it work. Here we remove that card and you can see this relay is a little bit damaged here. You see what we change now in this transformer we have to replace. I open those screws, I remove this sheet and replace that. Let's see what we remove here, and we remove this frequency transformer. You can see it's heated, it's better to replace, and this relay is already damaged, and this D9202 diode and which I removed from here, this is also faulty. I show you here. Just select our meter to diode position and you can see it is showing us short. It means this diode we have to replace also. I will change with this relay and frequency transformer and this D9202 diode. After I replace, I show you how does it work. Now you can see here we replace those transformer, diode, this D92 and this relay here, and this transformer we replaced with this faulty one. Let's put it back and see does it work. Here we put back that card again, and one more thing is here, do not forget to check this resistance value also after replacing. So I checked, this is 1K. So now I hope this will work. We put it back in supply. Here you can see now this is working and there is no pulse showing here. So let's check by tick. Now you can hear the tick sound also. So once we put MMA, so this will give us the output rating. It was before actually, you know that. This is okay. Only with replacing these three elements we fixed our machine. Hope you guys like this video, and for more informative videos related inverter welding machine and other power tools, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you next video.